How to log in into Epic Games. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Epic Games account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So this is a really straightforward process. All you need to do is search for Epic Games on your web browser. After you search for Epic Games, you will see the Epic Games website pop up. Tap on it and open it up. So you can directly head over to store.epicgames.com too. It's completely up to you. And after you're on the official site, what you'll need to do is tap on the sign in option that is on the top right corner. Tap on sign in, and after you tap on sign in, you will get redirected to this page. Now, there are a lot of ways you can sign in. The first is simply type in your email address and then type in your password and tap on sign in and you'll get signed in. The other ways are you can sign in with your Xbox, your PS, your Nintendo, your Steam account, your Facebook, your Google, your Apple account, and your Lego account. So there are a lot of ways you can sign in into your account, or you can simply create an account if you don't have one. It's that simple. So all you need to do is choose either way, either these options, or simply type in your email address and then your password and then tap on sign in, and you're basically signed in into your account. And it's that simple guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.